fishy.
Sunshine guy.
I've got one before I got down here. I would say it's about as big as
you.
Me.
Oh, we got tangled up.
Yeah, I did something.
I saw the rod.
You see it bend?
Bend over, and I was like, oh man.
That's what I'm saying. It's on there, over there.
You're gonna crap when she gets that on the rooster tail.
I'm gonna piss myself if she catches that.
Hey.
What is that, rock bass?
Yep. Right down there. Yep. Just a little fella.
Oh my dude.
Okay.
Me like crazy out there.
Okay. Come here, bub. Huh?
Yeah, I swear if you catch that thing on that rooster tail.
I deserve to.
Yeah, I think it's largemouth.
Largemouth?
Yeah. Yep, that's largemouth.
Huh.
He'd be brown if it was a smallmouth. What you got?
He bolted for it. I just walked through the water. I could see him go. As soon as the moment I saw him top, I went, "Dink!" I was like,
Well, they were flying after Kayleigh's rooster tail.
"Oh yeah, they're all flying down there. The moment they see him, they go for it. That's the nice thing."
You using a rooster tail, Wesley?
Yeah. Let's see if we can get that out of there.
If you lip him, it'll make it a lot easier. That way, you got his lip, and he can't do anything.
Oh, nice little guy.
Heck yeah. Oh, you little. But we can put this on YouTube. Oh my God, guys! What do you got? Dude! I don't know.
Big, whatever.
Oh my God! Oh! It got off!
You're kidding.
No!
Oh my God!
You saw it?
Huh? Everybody but... Okay. Oh, she's got one!
Oh, we got another?
She's got it!
Who's that thing here? Oh yeah!
I'm trying.
She got this one.
Woo-hoo, look at
Oh yeah, she got it!
that rock bass.
Big old rock bass.
Nice. Them are good eating.
His name's Patty.
Did we unhook them?
Bub.
That's all.
She got her rock bass.
He doesn't care.
That's fast.
She got her nice rock bass.
Thank you, she. Nice.
Alright.
Thank you, she. Alright.
You got
Be careful squeezing them. They will take a
spikes,
shot.
which you can't really see. They're not too bad. Spikes. Spikes. Take this. Put the bail. Leave yourself plenty of room. If you want, that's the best way to take them off. Grab them by the lip. If not, you can fold their spines down with your hand and your finger and take them off. But the easiest way is just grab a hold of the hook, lip them, turn this backwards, and it'll pop right off. So whatever you feel comfortable with. They do have teeth.
That's alright.
They will not hurt you.
That'll be alright.
Grab a hold of that.
Dang.
Yeah, you'll have to Yep, you got it. Yep. As soon as you feel that pop, push the hook this way without hooking yourself. You got it.
Fishy.
Perfect.
Fishy, fishy. Thanks.
Very good job.
Thanks.
Yep, no problem.
I'm ready. Alright. Just throw them in.
Yeah, wherever you want. As long as it's deep. Don't throw him in the shallow.
Alright. Deep is over.
Well, like, you can drop him straight off the bridge as long as it's...
Just don't drop on the
Yeah,
ground.
like this, anywhere here is fine.
Bye, buddy.
Perfect. You go. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
You do.
Oh, well, we got him on too. Little largemouth.
Hi, Fishy.
Oh my buddy. Dude, he took that like.
Woo! Whoa!
Dude, I mean, I cast out there. I started realizing all I could feel was a shink. I was like, holy crap. I was like, he's on it. He's ready.
Yeah. Lip him without hooking yourself, and then that's the easiest way to take him off there.
There we go.
Perfect. Oh, he's been biting before. You might have.
Oh, wait, right there. That's where I hooked him before. I got another.
You sure do.
Dude!
Oh,
That's
yeah.
a bluegill.
I just
Man.
cast back out there, too. Wasn't even
I think it's a rock.
like
Oh,
this.
no, it's a bluegill.
Let me see.
Is that a bluegill?
Yeah, it's a bluegill.
Why does he look so different? That's the first time I've seen one without
Well,
the
that-
pumpkin color.
That's a hybrid. Pumpkin seed has all the colors.
Huh.
That's a hybrid.
I've never seen that one.
Yeah.
I've always
That's
caught the colorful ones.
Cross between warmouth and ooh,
He does have less spikes. Like his fins don't look as spiky.
Electrical one.
yeah, I see that.
Look at you, little guy.
All right.
God, he's
we're-
just a small mouth. I can
I
barely
think
get my
we're
thumb in
ready.
there.
Yeah, you're good.
We're gonna head to the next bridge.
It's up to you guys.
We're catching them here, but
As I'm catching them like crazy, I'm fine with whichever now.
Well,
I can't believe Kayleigh.
there's still 4 bridges to go to, so. Oh, what do you got?
I don't know.
Oh! Big.
Another rock bass?
Oh my God!
Don't reel it all the way in like that.
I don't know.
She got a big old rock bass.
Hi, Fishy.
Holy moly.
Heavy.
Yeah, that's a big rock bass. All right.
Hi, Fishy, Fishy. Look at this. Hi, Fishy.
Once you hear it pop, then you can push backwards. Don't be afraid to. Here, hold on. Let me get this untangled. Now, use his lip. Take your finger, push. Now, it popped. See where the barb, there you go. Perfect. Good.
Fishy.
Perfect.
Hi.
I don't know if I'm getting all that, but that's good. Good job.
Bye-bye.
Heck yeah. Congratulations.
Thanks.
I think I got a bunch of stuff on the end of that, so you might have to clean that off. Kind of ended up in the,
Feeling on it.
yeah. Hold on.
Hey,
Oh, that did not work. Okay. Hey, still got it. What's up, bud?
big bass right here.
Is he not hidden? Is he not hidden?
I don't think so. You might have a better angle at him. You can see he's right along the side of the bridge right now.
You're good. You can stay out there. All right. If I hand you this, you're not gonna fall in, right?
I'm not sure. That's how I'm gonna get off. I know my limits. There's nothing.
God, it's fucking huge. Oh, Kayleigh's got him. She got him. Are you shit? You gotta be kidding me. She got him.
That was it.
Oh,
No, she got him on a worm.
Whatever.
She got him on a worm. Dude, I'm not kidding. Look.
Are you sure it was her and not you?
Oh, absolutely.
I watched you cast the one.
Oh, but I handed her the pole right after.
Funny that she wouldn't let me do that for her.
You understand.
I don't count this as me catching it, by the way. I know
I
that
told you it was right there, though.
I know you did. That's
You're welcome for that call out.
that's why I knew. I was like, oh, he knows.
I'm not, no, I watched
I didn't say you were. I was just, you know what I mean.
Good God, fishy.
Just
Hey, I'm glad we caught it, though.
heck yeah.
I don't think I can get that.
That's pretty decent sized bass.
Whoop. Yeah, that's an eater. If it won't come off,
We're going to take him home.
probably not tonight. Just grab a hold of the end of it. Just pull a little bit and pull backwards because that barb is the only thing holding it in there.
Yeah,
And once that barb pops out, boom.
gotcha. Hi, fishy.
That was a good catch.
Are you? Are you for real? Alright, fine then. I don't like him anyway. He called me fat. Alright.
I'm pausing this for a second. So the one time that I wasn't up here, what happened?
Look at the hook I've got in this guy.
Fishy.
You both got one at the same time?
Fishy.
I just barely got him.
Fishy, fishy.
Now, did you catch that?
Yeah, for real.
Congratulations. It's a very pretty bluegill.
Yeah, he's pretty.
Look at the barb is like big enough to hook it.
I can't believe that. I barely have him by the lip.
Now kiss.
Move.
This is
What in the
underage.
world?
I can't believe that stayed on. And
I'm not kidding
he's
you.
so tiny,
This
though.
barb is big enough to
Okay,
hook it
bye,
by
fish.
itself.
That's insane.
Bye-bye.
You seeing this? I just want to see how delicately I can get this off.
He's so tiny.
Look at the barb compared to the hole.
Jesus.
See it?
Poor little guy.
Might just
Yeah.
have to rub his lip. Ooh,
Nope,
shit.
nope,
Oh, he's
nope.
gone
I
now.
was gonna say just
like
straight
that.
back.
Went hold on for
Turn.
a second while I grab him.
Where's the BB?
You want to lip him?
Yeah, I'll try. Might have to gill him.
Biggest fish Wesley's caught this summer.
Here's that's my story. Biggest one.
Hold on. I gotta picture this.
At-
A monster.
Add it to your, what's that called?
The field guide?
Okay.
The field guide.
Legendary bluegill.
That's right.
Look at that monster.
Oh my god, he's so tiny!
You want me to get a picture of him and blow it up real big for this video?
Oh, you Photoshop it. I did. Looks like he's gonna die the moment he hits the water.
Well, let's hope not. He'll be alright.
Not the way I throw them.
Don't do that.
It'll be fun.
Well, let me turn around first. Something. Oh yeah.
Get him in there.
Are you kidding me? On a worm?
All of our food.
Yeah. On a worm.
A warmouth.
Oh my god, look how I hooked him.
That's what
I
I
hooked him
said.
through the side of the mouth. I didn't
Heck
even, he didn't
yeah.
even swallow it, look.
That's a warmouth.
Is that another baby?
Very, very good catfishing bait. And when they're bigger, they are delicious.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my god. Look at that. Look how I hooked him.
Well, he grabbed it.
He grabbed
And
it, let
then
go, and then I
Let go,
snagged
and then
him.
as soon as you...
Wesley, look at this. Look how I just hooked him.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Darn.
Sorry.
Come here.
Oh, got one.
Here,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
that's the one that I had on earlier. I didn't
Whoop.
get yours,
Oh,
Smack.
largemouth.
That's a decent little large
Yeah.
mouth.
That might be the one I caught last time. Down here.
I don't know. Could be.
You guys have caught
He got 2 hooks too.
a lot of fish down here.
This is why we do bridge fish.
Well, oh. Yeah.
Oh,
He's like, hey, and he just said it, and that's why you hold on to your fish.
You know what's funny? He had 2 hooks in, so that probably hurt like a bitch.
I would say since the water's come up and went back down, those are probably all new fish.
He probably.
I was hoping it would bend. I know you're weedless, but
Oh my god! God, he's angry. What is
the
that?
heck you got now?
Um,
Big old shiner.
There's a shiner.
ooh, he's
Yep.
pretty. Oh, dude, look where I hooked him. That's gotta be a painful look.
That's a big shiner.
Oh, I hooked him right through the snout.
Isn't this where you were getting the big shiner one day?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
You know that hurts.
Gigantic. The biggest shiner I ever caught in my life was right there.
I don't. Have I caught a shiner?
Yeah, you've got shiners.
you
I've got
feel-
you
feels
on
real
videotape
squishy.
catching them this year. The
But-
first when we went down there and when you guys started snagging the very first time we went.
Kayleigh.
I know, I'm sorry.
I don't know why, but he's for some reason he feels like he's got a lot of fat and he feels like he'd taste good.
Hang on.
I'm not real sure about that, but
I don't know. He just feels.
if
real
you want to try to
squishy.
eat one sometime when we're
Preferably when we got a bigger one.
do
too.
not have to work the next day, that's a pretty big shiner, bud. We can try that.
Thank you.
We'll do a catch, clean, cook, and I'll let
Oh my
you
God, he's
try it
angry.
first.
He's angry. He's like, let go. Like, but feel him, you know. I don't know
Oh,
why.
I know, I know.
But why is he just? He feels like he tastes good.
There's tons of meat on there, but they do not last long out of the water. I will warn you.
Beautiful shiner.
Oh my god.
That's what I'm saying. He's like so squishy, and his scales are
It
not.
feels like a
His
We can
scales
try
are like
one.
non-existent.
it feels like a what's it called? No,
Trout.
No, perch.
Yeah, yeah.
I know, guy.
Feels like a perch in a
does.
way.
Drop the gentle.
It's got the same like feel to it.
I didn't see where he went, but I saw him.
Last time we were here, Houston said
I got
that.
one.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
Little bluegill.
Fishy.
Everybody caught something here but
I
me.
know we know by name.
I thought you caught something.
Maybe I did. I don't remember.
That's the second one she's actually caught. She
Dude,
got that one
look how
last week.
loaded that thing is.
Ooh.
That had, yeah,
Yep.
that had to come off of a bed. I would, unless.
That's just funny to me. Every time, like, bluegill, smallmouth, and then it's Kayleigh, fishy! I don't
know if I'll be able to
Okay.
get this one out.
I don't know what the hell that noise is.
Yeah, the little 4-wheeler. Whenever they do that,
Sounds like it's pooping.
just take your lure, get a hold of the base of the hook. Just try to get one hook out at first. Well, we got that one out, but I think it went right back in.
Oh, shoot, sorry.
Because once you can get one out, it's not so bad. Once you get one out, get a hold of it, pop both the other ones out.
Gotcha. Hi, Beefy.
And that's a big old whack. Either full of eggs, pumpkin seed, or
Come here.
just a chunky pumpkin seed. Perfect.
Hi, Beefy. Hi,
Come on.
One more shiner?
No, I have a bluegill. For sure.
This might break off.
Wait,
That's a big old warmouth. There you
is
go.
that what that is?
Yeah.
I like him. He's
Okay,
pretty.
I'm getting out of the way.
Look at his fins.
Yeah,
he's got
is that the one we put line
Oh,
on?
he's pretty. Yeah.
Baby fish.
Yeah, that's some strong line.
Oh, ew.
So it's gonna
He's like,
it's gonna
he's
take
like,
some
"Take this
stepping.
fish shit.
Hey, rock bass.
Hi, Beefy.
Hey, stop it.
Louis.
You taste good. Isn't that what we
Yes,
had for fish
oh.
tacos that one time?
No, we had crappie, but rock bass tastes
Hey,
really
it's
good.
called a warmouth for a reason. Stop it. Bad fish. Bad.
I'll get
Bad.
all this nasty stuff
Back.
off and then
Let go.
I'll leave it up
It's
to
mine.
you.
It's mine. It's mine. You can't
Only
have
one
it.
of them got him.
You can't have it.
What'd you catch?
Little rock bass. Oh,
Is she squirming?
That's my rooster tail. You can't have it.
need help, bub?
Yeah, he's got it good in there. Every
Okay.
time I try to pull it, he keeps on fighting
Hi,
back.
fish.
I assume that's why they call him warmouths, because he's wanting war.
Hi,
Yeah.
fish.
Watch.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, he gets
Oh, yeah.
pissed. He closes his mouth. He's like, I'm hungry.
he gets mad.
That's it, yeah.
He's like, I'm angry. He's like, you cannot take it from me.
Get him.
Okay, I got
All right. What the heck is that?
Rock bass. Big ol' rock bass.
Oh,
No, yeah.
yeah. Heck yeah. That's what's been.
God dang, what is up with me hooking him
Crap.
to the eye? Or dang near close to the eye.
Dude, stop.
What?
Well,
Dang
What do you
it.
do?
give me that.
I tried tricking him. He knew. I was
I
like,
didn't
"Dang."
even.
You should have looked away for like 5 seconds. I could have tricked you.
I was already looking away, but I knew as soon as I heard the smack, I was like,
So why'd you say stop it? How'd you know for sure? I didn't just toss him in.
Nothing. Ooh. What's on his tail? Oh, he got a little orange dot on his tail.
God dang, I might not be able to get this one off.
Oh yeah. Flex it until you hear it pop.
I want to get his eye.
You got some sharp teeth.
Alright. Ooh,
Well, now,
I did not mean to do that.
You're good.
Like if you look
He's
at,
on there good.
These are warmouths.
He's fine.
The ones that look just normal color, that just be actually a normal bluegill. The ones that are orange
drop
and
him.
bright blue, those are pumpkin seeds.
Okay, never mind. I thought I felt
Okay.
something. I thought I felt something crawling.
Rock bass.
I was like,
Yeah, if you ever see that means warmouth. It's a warmouth bluegill. He's also got a little bit of blue.
Yeah, and in between all that commotion,